Okay, now we will learn gradient tool. In Photoshop, gradient tool very important. There is a tool. Okay, when you see the layers, you have to go there. Just click. You will find gradient. When you click the gradient, then here is a selection linear. You can see there is linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond. Different gradient. Just linear is like this. If I select a radial, just see the effect. There is a effect is here. See, now I want to just focus this light from here. Just see, if you want to put here, then just click the color. You can see the color. You can select the color from here. See, you just keep it there like this. If you want to, like, there is a focus, there is a light. See, this is a light. Okay, then you just click OK and come here. You just increase this. You can increase. See, this one smoothness 100%, it's okay. And this is of course solid. Okay, uh, then if you like this, see, its brightness is increasing. Brightness is increasing. If you want to reduce, it's reducing. See, this is reducing. Okay, then location, you just keep it okay. Then if you want to move this, you just move it there. From here you can put. If you want to put there, you can put there. There is no issue. Okay, so radial, you can put like diamond. If you want to put the diamond color, it will be diamond. You just here diamond color. See, you can put there. You can put there. Okay, is there. Okay, then if you come here, you just put the click the reverse. What will happen? You can see the effect. Okay, then you just click there and you just increase this. See, this one is increasing. Okay, so there is a whole light is coming from both sides. This side, this side, this side, this side. And if you want to put the color, different color, you will just click there and you just click there and you will find the red color. If you want to put the red color, the color will affect the red. Okay, if you want to put the pink color, you will find this color. Okay, if you want this color, you will find this color. So many affected. You can just click this gradient. This is very important tools. You can use this any professional work, any work, anything. It's a very important. Okay, thank you very much guys. Thanks, bye bye.